Hello guys, once again you all are welcome to this channel. So today I have come in front of you with a new tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how to draw this type of floor plan in your AutoCAD, right? So before starting this tutorial, if you want to learn AutoCAD, you please like and subscribe to my channel and watch this tutorial completely. So you can see this is my floor plan and it is completely according to Vastu, right? And I have placed the stair as a semicircle. So in this tutorial I'm gonna tell you each and everything. So the plot size is, you can see, 52 feet is its width and its length is 46 feet, and it is east facing, and it has two roads. So one is east and another one is west, so that it has been designed like this, right? So come here, so start this tutorial. So first of all, the plot size which I'm going to tell you now. So its plot size is 52 by 46. So go for rectangular. You can see from the ribbon bar. Yeah, when you bring your cursor to it, you can see rectangle here. So just click it here. After clicking it, just once click and just drag it from left to the right. So now what you need to do, just give the input, right? So first of all, its width is 52 feet, comma 46 feet. So before telling this, you all should have set your unit. So if you do not know how to set your unit in feet and inches, you please watch my previous tutorial. Also now I am going to tell you here also. Just go for UN from your keyboard and enter it. After entering the UN from your keyboard, see, this type of dialog box will open. So now what you need to do, see, if you do not set your unit as a feet and inches, it should be in engineering, but you have to set it as a architectural and make it as a decimal degrees and how many precision you want. So if you want up to this one, you can it, or it's depend on you. So after that, make it as a inches, right? For feet it will be architectural. So after that, just go for click it. Now it has been set, right? So now what you need to do, just go for offset command. Yeah, offset command for 9 inches. So it will be the exterior wall of your plot, right? So just drag it, not outside of your building, just inside, and just click it once. So after, just go for the escape twice. Now what you need to do, you just go for offset command of 35 feet. Why I have did like this means 35 feet offset I need to do from here, this exterior part. So before doing this, it is rectangle, right? So it is a made of polyline, so you have to just explode it, means it has to be enhanced. So how you can do this means, you have to make it as a line segment. So how you can see, if I select any one of them, it, see, I want to select only this part, not whole, but it is rectangle, right? It is made of polyline, so it has been selected all of them. So what I need to do, just select it, right? Now go for explode command. So the shortcut key for explode is X. See from your keyboard and just enter it. It has been exploded. Now see this part, the part which you want to select, this only selected, this only selected. See, this only selected. Now why I have done this like, why I have done it like this means, I need some of the parts, right? So after that, just go for offset command of 35 feet, because my construction width is only 35 feet. I need to leave it some of the parts from 52 for car parking. So again, go for this 9 inches. After that, what you need to do, you just go for offset command of 12 feet from your keyboard, and just from interior, not the exterior. Okay, so after that, just go for 4.5 inches, not 9 inches, because it is the one brick wall. So one brick wall is only 4.5 inches. It is generally 5 inches, uh, including plaster. So from here 14 feet. After that, again do the same thing, right? 4.5 inches. After that, what you need to do, you just see this plan, have a look on this. This is right, but I'm going to modify it. So I have already told you it is east facing plot, and it has two roads, not only in east but also in the west side. So here I have placed the bath and toilet, right? So I need to shift in the middle as per my clients. Okay, so now go for offset command of, so I'm just making of 7 feet for the bath and toilet. So mind it, while you are drawing any kind of plan, you have to mind the vastu. Without that you can't do anything. So see, I'm just removing this part. So before removing this, so I'm not going to remove this whole part, because I just want to place some of the windows like this. So I can't, because you do not have any right to place your windows in other property. If you want to place, you have to leave your places at least 3 feet. So same thing I'm doing over here also, 3 feet from this outer line and from the 9 inches from the inner line. After that I'm going to trim this also, as well as this also. So here, this also. Now what I need to do, see, this also comes the outer part, so make it as a 9 inches, not of 4.5 or 5 inches. So make it this also as a 9 inches. It is of 2 brick wall. So this also, just remove it. Now go to just join this, simply join this all, right? So just this also join this, because we need to have place some, right? So after that what you need to do, here according to vastu I am placing. So according to vastu, see, this is your east, right? You need to place your kitchen in this corner, because southeast corner is placed for kitchen as per the vastu. So I'm going to take it as a 10 feet from here to here, and 4.5 inches. After that I'm going to make it as a, see, before doing this you just go here, offset of 14 feet. This is for master bedroom, right? So here 4.5 inches. Now you want to measure di for shortcut key of measuring this. So how much it is? It is 13 feet 3 inches. So just go for this extend command and just extend it. So now you can check it. So di, how much it is coming? It is coming 11 feet. So yeah, that is fine for my bedroom also. Just trim it. So if you do not want to trim, you can let it be. Okay, after that what you need to do means, here this will be your parking, right? So after all, once you just delete it, and here what I need to do, make it as a 7.5 feet from here, then go for 14 feet, and it's automatically being the, see how much it is, just go and measure it by di command. So time to time, here 12 feet 9 inches. So see, this is this wall is north, this wall is west, this is south, and this is east. So here go for offset of, no need to go offset, just go for extend command, ex double enter. If you have any doubt on shortcut keys, you can watch my previous tutorials, you may understand each and everything. So see, I want to make it as a porch. So how can I do this? See, just go for trim, and I'm going to give my plinth height as a 2.5 feet from ground level. So 6 inches of stairs. So total how many stairs? 5 stairs, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. Now what you need to do? This is my foyer area. Foyer means porch, portico you can say. According to Vastu, south, north, this is north, and this is east. This is east. So northeast is the best for puja room. So 5 feet or 5 feet will be the puja room. So just go for trim from both of the sides, right? So after that what you need to do, go for offset command of 4.5 inches from outer side. See, now after that do chamfer, CHA shortcut key for chamfer, just click it over here and just do it. Now after that make it a door for it, just go for 6 inches from this and from this 2.5 feet just go for trim. After that you just remove it. See, here it would be, so no need to worry, just take it its endpoint and this endpoint. If you have any doubt regarding AutoCAD, you can please DM me. I will definitely I will respond it. If you want if you can do the comment on it, definitely I can do this, even if you are watching this or not. See, 3 feet, sorry, actually I need the door of not 3 feet, actually 4 feet, so 1 feet and 4 feet. So just go for trim, double enter, just trim it simply, no need to hurry, right? See, almost your plan is about to be ready, right? Just trim it on wanted parts. After that, what you need to do, you need to place, see this is my south, right? But as the Vastu says that your stairs should always placed in the wall of south or west. So for this I am going to place my stair in the south direction, means north to south. So here I am gonna to do this. So now I am going to take the circle, and I am not going to tell you some of the dogless type of step, but the semicircle. Take it circle of, just drag it, take the circle of 4 feet radius, and again take the circle of with the same center, or else you can take the offset command. Just select it, go for offset of 3 feet. See, offset of, first of all what you need to do, delete it, go for circle. After circle, go for 3 feet. After that, go for offset of 4 feet from outside, right? After that, what you need to do, just go for line command, just join it. After joining, what you need to do, just select it, just go for array. AR is the shortcut. Just click it on the array, polar array you want to take. After that, just go to the center, just click it. After clicking, just go to the items. So 20 items, just enter it. After 20, just go to the fill angle, click it on the fill angle, just write it over here. So 180 semicircle, enter it. See, you have got it, right? After that, what you need to do, you just select this and just move it outside, not inside. After that, here just trim it. So before trimming, just go for offset of 4.5 inches. Trim it like this. See, this is my circular semicircular stair. After that, go for 4.5 inches, not inside, outside. Here also outside. Now you need to join this. So how you could, like this you can. Not an, it's not a big deal for you, right? So this tutorial will really help you if you are concentrate and if you watch it. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to my channel. After that, just go for rotate. So how you can do, RO is the shortcut key for rotate. Now just on the ortho, just select it completely. Now go for move command, select it. After that, before keeping it, just do it scaling. S is the shortcut key for scaling. Make it little bit smaller, right? So it will be adjusted to your plan. After that, move command. So after moving, just bring it to your plan. Just ortho should off. See, it also says that it is quite larger, right? Now again I need to scale it. So if you can do the right click, go to the scale, just select it. I think it's perfect, right? So after that, just make it this also, not in the in that way only, this also. After that, just go to the selection of it, go for M, take its midpoint, see, and keep it in the middle. So if you keep it in the middle, that is very good for you. And here the door for both master bedroom as well as, so I'm going to make the master bedroom bath and toilet as a 6 feet. from the top and 4.5 inches for its wall. Just go for trim it. Here also trim it. This also should be trimmed, right? After that I need to place the door for it. Just go for 6 inches this side and this side 2.5 feet. After that just trim it. After trimming it, just do this unwanted parts, right? After that what you need to do means here also you need to make a door for it. Just go for 6 inches. Now do this. After that 2.5 feet. After that just trim it. TR double enter. So if you have the practice on this, you may understand each and everything. So this will really help you if you are doing regularly practicing over on it. So see, this is my living area as well as it's my drawing room. Sorry, it will be my dining room. So after offset 1 feet as well as 3 feet of the door. Sorry, just go for 3 feet. Yeah, as I have did it. Same way here also 1 feet, and here it depends on you. Wherever you want to place the doors, you can. Not an issue or not a big deal for you. Just see the logic and see the commands what I am doing or how I am doing. After all, I need to make it as a drawing room, right? So I need to make it as a open. So here if I do not make it open, it will be my TV panel. So I can place it here, TV panel for living room. So go for offset command of 1 feet from this and this also, and 3 feet from this and this. So this is, I'm just leaving for the doors. Just go for trim it. Just trim it. Just trim it. Just trim it simply. No need to do anything. Just trim it. So if you are keep watching, this will really help you. Just select it from the right and left. I have told you the logic behind this. Just go for trim it. So now what you need to do, see, after that it will be what, it will be your drawing room. So go for offset command of 1 feet and make the door of 4 feet. So if you are doing this, just go for extend command so that it will be easy to trim it. After that just trim it. So see, almost our drawing has been completed, right? Now what you need to do, just make it the windows and ventilations for the, see now here the issues, right? So it is also not a big deal for you. So what you need to do, just select it and just relate it. After that the main thing is that you need to make some of the windows. So how you do the windows, so just here make a line on it and just make to the center it, make the center of it, and just in the same way here also draw a line. Then after check it, select its middle point and just drag it. And now after that same way you need to do each and everywhere. So wherever you want, you think that it should be or there should be a windows ventilations, you may see this is open and this is open. So in that place you can keep your windows as well as your ventilation. So from this you need to do 4 feet of windows I am keeping over here. So I am just giving the hints over here. I am not going to draw each and every windows. So here just do it. Just do it simply. No need to do anything. Just do it. After doing this, go for offset command of 2 inches from up and from down. The same way here also. Just do it up and down. After that, just select this middle, both of them, just delete it. After deleting, you can see that here you need to write the, you need to write some of the commands over here. Means commands means some of the places, right? So some of the what the thing are they, means this is which room, this is that is which room, you need to specify, right? So here I have already drawn, right? So I'm just taking the copy and paste. So this is my this I'm just copying here. You can also do the simply. So here I, one thing I have missed over here, go for offset of 2 feet for the kitchen platform. So here I have made it. Now go for trim. Just trim it here. Just trim it simply. Just trim it simply. Just trim it. After that, what you need to do, see, almost we have done with that, right? So no need to do, you need not to have think a lot of things. So here this is my parking, right? So I'm just going to delete this. In the same way here also, and I'm going to extend this. After that I'm going to just make a line on it, just make a line, straight line on it. So before going to this, on your ortho, after that extend it. After extending, just delete or trim it. In the same way here also, just trim. After trimming, we have one issue, offset of do 9 inches, not an issue. No need to do Control Z. So extend this, EX double enter. I am keep on telling you guys everything. So if you have any doubts regarding AutoCAD tutorials, you please DM me. I will really help you. So this would be my car parking. So see, now I am going to place each and everything. So I'm just, now you can see, right here it is almost done. Now what I need to, isn't it looks beautiful? Yeah, it really looks beautiful. Now what I need to do, I'm just hatching this. Just go for this panel, this ribbon bar, hatch command, just click it over here. Now just click it simply, right? So here what it comes, see, it has been placed like this. Here also do simply, no need to do anything harder. Just go to this, just do it, just do it, just do it. I have already told you, if you have any complaints regarding ventilations and windows, you can keep it, right? So as I have told you, these places is open to, open with the open, you can place it here, the windows as well as ventilation. So in this place also you can place. So with the lack of time, this is my puja room, no need to worry. So here it looks very cool, right? Yeah, it really looks cool. So what I need to do, I'm just keeping here, simply just do it like this. See, this is my portico, I do not have mentioned over here. So from here I'm going to copy it. So these both the plans are almost equal, no need to do, no need to be panic, right? After that, see, now I'm going to hide it. After that, so before hiding it, just go for the hatch command. So here, so just go for the hatch, just go for, simply go for the hatch command. Here some of my furnitures. So after this, click on the hatch. After clicking the hatch, just paint this wall, right? It has been painted. Now see, it looks really nice. So this plan will really gives you the big or very good impression to your clients or your making skills. See how it looks, it really looks nice, right? So if you want to make this type of plan, this type of floor plan, please watch this tutorial and watch my all the tutorials from the playlist, and press the bell icon and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for bearing me.